guys, welcome back to Angie's Table. So right now I'm in my car and I was just about to go into Trader Joe's to pick up a couple groceries, and I thought doing an intro here would be kind of cool. We are going to be making a two-way vegetarian keto-friendly mushroom appetizer. These are going to be really good, and I know a lot of people are into more healthier options, whether it's vegetarian or whether they're keto-friendly diets. So for now, let's go into Trader Joe's. So now that we're back, let's go check out all the ingredients. We're gonna work on our stuffed mushrooms first. So I am in the middle of taking out the stems from the mushroom caps. So we're going to chop these mushroom stems up. We're gonna put them into the filling of the mushrooms as well. We'll put these into a mixing bowl. We'll mince up 1 clove of garlic. Now we're gonna work on our herbs, and I am in the middle of stringing some of these thymes up. Just give this a very rough chop. Add it to here. And we'll work on our parsley. And we're gonna cut up these parsleys as well. The oven is preheating at 350, and I'm gonna add the rest of my ingredients in for the stuffing. We decided to use Laughing Cow cheese because if you guys have watched our previous videos, I really like Laughing Cow cheese. It's a very good alternative to more of a lower cal cheese. Since we're going with a more healthier stuffed mushroom keto recipe, we decided to just do this because I always have Laughing Cow cheese in my fridge. Cream cheese, not so much because it'll tempt me too much. So I am mixing all of this up, and we'll go ahead and stuff it. I'm seriously so tempted to add some breadcrumbs on top, but since this is a keto diet, we are going to be adding some more Parmesan to give it more of a crunch and crust on top of it. Now let's stick these in for 20 minutes. So next we're gonna work on our sauteed mushrooms. So we'll have this on medium-high. We'll add in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and a little drizzle of olive oil. Now that it's melted, we'll add in our chopped onions. So we're gonna saute the onions for about 3 minutes until it softens. And then we'll add in our mushrooms. So now we're gonna let that cook until the mushrooms become slightly golden brown. Look at that golden brown color. And then we're gonna add in our white wine and let that simmer for about 2 minutes. So white wine is really good when you're cooking pasta and these types of stir fry like mushrooms and things like that, because it gives off a really good taste. Like if you guys have never used white wine in cooking, you guys should try it because it makes the world of a difference. So make sure when you're doing this to use a dry white wine. Then we'll add in our thyme, our parsley, and our garlic and let the aromas all mix together, and we'll cook that for about an additional 1 to 2 minutes. So let's add in our parsley, thyme, and our generous amount of garlic. And at the end, we'll season it generously with some salt and pepper. The herbs work so well together. Have a bite. It's good, right? Very, very good, juicy. This will really pair well with steak or like fish or any type of protein.